Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Haven Fitness. I hope you guys are doing good, and if not, then don't worry, my friend, you're at the right place. So, guys, let's start the topic after this quick short intro. सो गाइस टॉकिंग अबाउट वेट लॉस कुछ बहुत ही सिंपल से रूल्स हैं, कुछ बहुत ही बेसिक सी चीज़ें हैं दैट यू नीड टू फॉलो एंड यू विल बी एबल टू अटेन द बॉडी दैट यू एक्चुअली डिज़ायर। एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आपने खुद करा होगा एंड वो आपकी अपनी खुद की मेहनत होगी। आई एम जस्ट अ गाइड शेयरिंग अ बिट ऑफ नॉलेज दैट आई हैव। करने वाले आप खुद ही होने वाले हो एंड इन द एंड आप हो गए एक विनर। तो गाइस अब बात कर लेते हैं अबाउट द प्रोसेस। सो फर्स्टली you will be following a calorie deficit diet, and then you guys are gonna be in IF, that is intermittent fasting, which means you will be fasting for the next 12 to 16 hours straight. And don't worry guys, starting at 3-4 days it would be hard to resist, but then आपको खुद ही भूख नहीं लगेगी as you will be adapting the process. Let's talk about the diet now. तो सुबह उठते ही यू विल हैव अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर दैट इज़ गोना किक स्टार्ट योर मेटाबॉलिज्म, एंड देन अराउंड 12 PM आप लोगे 100 grams ऑफ स्प्राउट्स, एंड उसके बाद समवॉट अराउंड 1 PM यू विल हैव योर फर्स्ट सॉलिड मील ऑफ द डे, जो होगा 2 egg whites का ऑमलेट with a good amount of veggies and 2 bread slices as well. And then for the lunch around 3 to 3:30 PM you will have 4 egg whites, and then in the evening you need to take a fruit, and if you could take any kind of seasonal fruit it would be much better. Now it's time for something before your dinner. तो इसमें आप लोगे 70 grams of cooked oats, and by the way guys, oats have a lots and lots of fibers and it will maintain your bowel movement as well, as you're gonna have a good amount of protein in this diet. So now it's time for your final meal, your dinner, which is gonna be 50 grams of boiled cooked soya chunks and a bowl of salad, which must have minimum 4 to 5 veggies with curd, lemon and salt. And this is gonna be the end of your eating period and the starting of your IF period. Now an important note is that you should be following this diet plan strictly. Only then you will be able to get the results. And also guys, the diet chart depends from person to person, body to body, but this is a prototype diet chart that is surely gonna work for all, but the result time may vary. And if you guys need any kind of personal guidance or you have any questions, ping me up on Instagram, link in the description box below. So guys, I hope this was useful to you, and if you liked what you saw today, then do like, share and subscribe. So until we meet next, stay active and keep pushing your limits. That's Haven Fitness signing off.